A rude awakening today in one Grand Rapids neighborhood. Instead of an alarm clock, it was the sound of gunfire. And for one family I spoke with, it was more than just a noise.
And it seemed like it was, man, the shots was going for so long.
Just after 7 a.m. on this strip of Griggs across from Dickinson Elementary School.
I hit the floor and crawled into the living room.
A Grand Rapids mother who asked not to be identified had just slipped out of bed.
It did sound like gunshots. I know what that sounded like. But it sounded like it was so close to the point it was in the house.
Outside her home, bullets started flying.
The shot stopped. That's when I jumped up. And then when I jumped up, my daughter got to running down the stairs.
Thankfully, she and her young daughter were okay.
When I came outside, you could smell it. You smell it in the air. You could still see like the gray, like little clouds.
Nobody was hurt in the shooting, but it was close.
It sounded like probably about 20 shots.
One bullet hitting her front porch here.
How are you feeling?
Man, it's like scared because it's so close. It's real close. But I'm also scared of them kids being outside on the playground and stuff too.
The majority seemingly hitting her neighbor's home.
Like I'm looking at every car right past, like, I don't know, stuff that moved too fast kind of scared me. I don't know if it's the wrong address they had or something, and that's what I'm thinking.
Investigators will continue looking into what happened and why. If you have any information about who might be responsible, you're asked to call police, or you can submit info anonymously through Silent Observer. In the studio, Michael Martin, Fox 17 News.